He's protecting them.
Then you can't throw it.
He would bring his toy to the ducks and drop it in front of them. And he would just sit there and watch them.
Get ready for our family migration!
Oh, Dad, you'll come too!
Whoa, that did it! Let's fly!
Illuminations Migration, rated PG.
What did you get me, babe?
I got you some apples.
My partner found some abandoned sick ducklings. By the end of the day, the mom still hadn't come back. So my partner said, let's take care of them until they get a little bit older. We kept the ducklings in a separate room, and I could hear Ben outside the door. He was really soft and gentle walking in, just really curious what we had.
Good boy, Ben.
I did speak to a vet, and they did pick up some sort of bacteria from the stagnant water. So the 9 ducklings we had ended up being only 3 ducklings. Ben was heartbroken. From that point on, Ben wanted to be around them. Anytime they were having a bath,
Ben, bathtime, come on.
he would come running with his toy. He loved to watch them swim. He loved to watch them play.
Protecting the ducks?
He did become this father figure because he's watching out for them. They love just being around each other. As the ducklings are getting older, their personalities are coming out a little bit more. Ben and the ducklings still spend quality time together. Giving them a second chance at life, it makes me feel amazing. The future for the ducks will be whatever they choose. If they want to stay on our property, they are more than welcome to. If they want to fly away, then I'm happy for them to do that. I'm really proud of my dog being so gentle and so caring for tiny little creatures. It's a beautiful relationship.
Yeah! Woo! Woo! Whee!